Hi teacher, my name is Luz America Escobar. The Anglophone Cultures. They are those customs that have the countries where they first or native language English, among which are the United States, United Kingdom, North Ireland, Jamaica, Australia. This is opportunity. We will talk about Jamaica. This is the famous flashy carnival. The Jamaica Carnival is celebrated on its Sunday until the weekends and takes the place mainly in the center of Kingston, in the tourist areas of H. Rios and Montego Bay. The four main games are in the Kingston, in the ones each of Rios. The main sparrings are held here, as well as special shows with international and local musicians, in which because the good of wine is honored. Jamaica's biggest carnival events is the National Carnival March, which is the more than parades and competitions. It is day when you see thousands of people dancing in the most dazzling and colorful concerts in the country. Aside from Jamaica, National Carnival Match is a family weekly events happening all over in the island. They are with parades, geobirds, small street parades, competition and love like music. 2 months before begin parade, they are fond of parties every day, where Jamaicans party all night. I would like to go the carnival because the color, happy thousand in the flashy carnival customs, which is very similar on Rio de Janeiro, only the subtitled music different. Since the traditions is reggae, soca, dancehall, and calypso, rhythms that I like. I would also like to know wonderful beaches that the country has. Jamaica is on tourist destinations by traditions. Thanks to these beautiful landscapes, they are really joy for to say world. Who loves to store memories in our meals. Since everything we take with us that an experience. Good night, teacher.